Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. All right guys, so we have the first palette revealed. We know exactly what it is. So Yes posted this to their Instagram and it's showing the first palette teaser. It shows exactly what palette it is. Now this is going to be for the June Yes box. So the palettes that they were teasing out, there's 4 different ones. Remember, there will be 4 different variation palettes in the June box. So this is the first one. It's the More Cosmetics Daydreams palette. Now again, this was the first palette that they teased out, and we do have 3 more to go. I will show you the other 3 right here, and I'm assuming in the next few days they're going to be revealing these other 3 palettes as well. So I will update you guys as soon as they do that. And again guys, if you haven't tried Yes, I do have a code for you if you do want to try them out. It is Self-Taught Beauty, and that is in all caps. That will get you 10% off of your first box. I will have them linked below if you do want to go check them out. Feel free to do so. And also guys, always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me which videos you guys are enjoying, and I know what to adjust on my channel. And one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.